Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Miss. So, I am Teacher Rachel. So, our chosen topic from grade 5 on the Matatag curriculum is measurement and geometry on finding the parallelogram. So, our objectives is at the end of the period with at least 80% accuracy, the grade 5 student must be able to define a parallelogram and identify its parts. Find the area of a parallelogram using formula and draw or cut a parallelogram in accurately measures.
Hello, my name is Bim Arta. You can call me Sir Benz. And now, in engage part, I will use a manipulative. The parallelogram and the rectangle with the same height, with the same base. After that, I will ask the student by using this manipulative. So, question 1. Which do you think has the greater area? The rectangle or the parallelogram? Question 2. Can a parallelogram have the same base, the same area of the rectangle even if looks like slanted?
Good morning, everyone. I am teacher Hazel. So for the explore part, I will use this manipulatives. This is what we call cutted shape of parallelograms. What I have to do is I will distribute this to all of the students. And after that, I will let them cut a right triangle from it. And after cutting the right triangle, I will let them reposition the paper to form it into a rectangle. And after performing the activities, I will ask some certain questions. Question 1. What have you noticed to the shape after rearranging? Okay, so for the next question, what stays the same?
So good morning everyone. I am teacher James. In discussion part, we choose the main manipulative, the 3D parallelogram manipulative. So we choose this because it allows students to visualize and explore properties such as parallel sides and angles. It can also deepen their understanding about geometric concepts. So this is the formula of the finding parallelogram. Area equals base times height. Then this is the base and this is the height. So example, find the area of a parallelogram with a base of 6 cm and height of 4 cm.
In elaborate, I will introduce a game called Cut Me Well. Cut Me Well. The student will cut the specific parallelogram with accurate measurement of base and height. So, 1. I have a colorful and beautiful fabric patterns with 10 centimeter base and 8 centimeter height. Question 2. Bimar has a wallpaper pattern in his room with a base of 8 centimeter base and 4 centimeter height.
So in evaluate part, we will give an activity then to differ their understanding. So the teacher will conduct a short quiz and the student will answer the short quiz in 10 minutes.